Hi guys, it's me, and today we're looking at a component that may not get the spotlight but is one of the most critical for engine performance and reliability. The fuel injection pump DB4045TF290 RE546670, designed for John Deere 4045 and 4045TF290 engines, is what we're talking about here. If you need to get one, the link is waiting in the description. So let's start by breaking down what this pump does. A diesel engine depends on precise delivery of fuel at just the right time and pressure. That responsibility falls on the injection pump. It isn't a flashy part you see on the outside, but without it the engine would never perform. The DB4045TF290 RE546670 takes fuel, pressurizes it, and injects it directly into the cylinders so the engine fires up, stays running smoothly, and delivers the power needed. John Deere 4045 series engines are known for being workhorses. They power tractors, agricultural machines, construction equipment, and generators. These are engines that need to perform in tough environments and for long hours. A weak or failing injection pump immediately shows up in reduced performance, hard starts, or heavy smoke. That's why having the right replacement like this one makes such a big difference. The build quality is another thing worth talking about. This pump is engineered to last. Think about the conditions these engines go through: high heat, dust, vibrations, and constant workload. A poor quality or generic pump simply doesn't hold up. But the DB4045TF290 RE546670 is manufactured to meet demanding standards, giving operators confidence that once it's installed, it's going to work consistently day in and day out. Fuel efficiency is another benefit. With a properly working pump, fuel atomization is improved, combustion is cleaner, and you end up using less fuel for the same power. That saves money over time, reduces black smoke from incomplete combustion, and lowers emissions. For anyone running equipment in the field, that efficiency is an advantage you feel immediately. If you've ever dealt with a failing injection pump, you know the symptoms: long cranking before the engine starts, uneven idle, sudden drops in power, or higher fuel consumption. Some engines might even stall under load. The moment you replace it with the right unit, like the DB4045 6162 RE546670, those issues disappear. Cold starts get easier, idle stabilizes, and the machine gets back to doing its job without hesitation. Now, let's address the common question: why not go for the cheapest aftermarket part? At first glance, saving money upfront sounds good. But when it comes to injection systems, precision matters. A poorly designed pump that doesn't deliver fuel at the right pressure or timing can cause damage to the injectors, lead to incomplete combustion, and shorten the life of the engine. Over time, those problems cost far more than the money saved. This replacement is designed specifically for the John Deere 4045 platform, so it's not only a perfect fit but also ensures long-term engine health. Installation is worth mentioning too. While replacing the pump itself is straightforward, calibration and timing are critical. It's always best to have someone familiar with diesel systems install it. When it's aligned correctly, the improvement is instant. Machines that struggled before feel strong again, performance returns, and fuel efficiency climbs back up. What's impressive about this pump is that it not only restores function but also protects the engine. Poor fuel delivery can cause heat buildup, carbon deposits, and stress on pistons and valves. Over time, that can lead to major repairs. By replacing a faulty pump with a high-quality unit like this one, you prevent those issues and extend the lifespan of your engine. That's a real investment in keeping your equipment dependable for years to come. Think about how much is riding on engines like the John Deere 4045. Farmers depend on them to plant and harvest on schedule. Contractors use them to power machines that move earth and build infrastructure. Industrial users rely on them for continuous power. Downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's expensive. The fuel injection pump is central to all of it, and this replacement ensures the job gets done. One of the things I find interesting is how invisible this part usually is.